Darmi is the chef and part owner of Betiseb. She's gonna teach me how to make the royal dish from the Gurage people, Kitfo. To make Kitfo, we need really nice, clean beef. So we have these beautiful pieces that you cleaned. What does the word Kitfo means?
I think anything you chopped it small pieces.
Yeah, so anything
anything
chopped.
is chopped, they call it kitfo. Kitfo is like, very special for us. It's like a Japanese sushi, Poor or rich, everyone eats kitfo.
Darmi is an amazing cook. She walks me through the process of chopping up the meat really, really fine. You add spices such as bishop seeds, black cardamom, cumin, fenugreek, and then you want to toast them up because that's sort of how the spices opens up, and that's how you get the most flavor out of the spices.
Okay.
Wow. Woo! That smells so good. Can I pour it in here?
Yeah, sure.
Kebe, which is this clarified butter, is a staple in Ethiopian food. It's a flavor enhancer, but it's also a preserving technique. It's literally a butter that you simmer, and you take all the milk products out, and then at the same time, you're adding in all the spices. That's beautiful.
Let me show you something. Yeah.
This smells very similar to oregano, but it has a little bit more grassier feel than oregano.
Yes.
Nice. Kebe, which is used very carefully in Ethiopian cooking, is one of the reasons why you get almost that umami taste in Ethiopian food. A great kebe can be up to 6 months to a year old. It will never go bad unless you put your fingers into it. Just a little dollop of this, half a teaspoon or so, will change the entire flavor of a dish. And then it becomes this beautiful gold color of kebe. This is gold. Now comes the blending of the kitfo, right?
Yes, yes.
Add in this labor of love to infuse our kitfo.
Kitfo, yes.
I get the first taste. Oh, wow.
Again, right?
This is amazing. It's so rich.
Normally, they always
And
feed the
beautiful?
wife first.
Listen, I'm on a culture trip. I need to learn. This is so beautiful.
It's a real deal, Marcus.
But I think I found the kitfo goddess now.
Yeah, she's good.
I get it too. To eat it after you've been fasting, when you haven't had meat for a long time, celebrating with rich butter or celebrating with a meat becomes super important. Well, thank you so much
Thank you
for teaching us.
Thank you for coming.
Wow.
Yeah, I feel like it's a cheap ticket to Ethiopia right here. Really, I feel so home, and I'm so thankful
Thank you.
to have you guys here.